Thank you for clicking this channel. Standard 6 Maths Chapter 9 HCF and LCM Practice Set 25. So here they have asked find out the LCM of the following numbers. Now LCM. What is the full form of LCM? Lowest common multiples. Okay, so lowest common multiple. So let's see how we will solve these sums. Now first one is 9 and 15. So simply what you have to do, you have to write tables of both. See, now whenever you have two numbers, first take the bigger one. Why? See, 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 35, 15 fours are 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, then 75, and then 90, then 105. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. At least you do 7 and keep. पहले हमेशा बड़े वाले नंबर का मल्टीप्लाई करके लिख लो. देन गो टू द लोवेस्ट वन. So 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 9 times are 90. Now see, here also 90, here also 90. So whenever you get the first starting same multiplication, जैसे आपको पहला same multiplication मिलेगा, so that is your answer. So here you have to write. Now see, your starting multiplication was 45 and second common multiplication was 90. So the common multiples of 9 and 15 are 45 and 90. Okay, so the starting one. So LCM of 9 and 15 is 45. Okay. Okay, second sums solution. Now 2, 3 and 5. So 2 ones are 2. So here we will write table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, now here 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Then table of 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. Now see, we have written table up to 10. You first have to match तीनों में same क्या match हो रहा है. Now see, here we have 20 and here also we have 20, but in 3's table there is no 20. Now we have 15 and 15, but in 2's table there is no 15. So that means we have to go further. Now 2 11s are 22, 2 12s are 24, 2 13s are 26, 2 14s are 28, 2 15s are 30. Now see, we have 30 here also we have 30 and here also we have 30. So ये फर्स्ट नंबर हुआ जो तीनों में मैच हो रहा है, करेक्ट. So this is the lowest common multiple. So therefore the LCM of 2, 3 and 5 is 30. Okay, this is the answer. Now third sums. So 12 and 28. So first write table of 28. See, 28 ones are 28, 28 twos are 56, 28 threes are 84, 28 fours are 112, 28 fives are 140 and go on. Now we have to see 12, table of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 72, 84. See 84, 84 got matched. तो आगे नहीं जाएंगे, जो पहला मिल जाता है ना वहीं पे स्टॉप हो सकते हैं, बिकॉज दैट इज़ ओनली द आंसर. सो द LCM of 12 and 28 is 84. Okay. Now solution 15 and 20. Now first see table of 20. 21s are 20, 22s are 40, 60. Now see, we know that in table of 15 we will get 60. So इसको और आगे नहीं जाके यहीं पे स्टॉप करते. Now 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, then 45 and then 60, then 75. So 60 and 60 is the first same common multiples. So therefore the LCM of 15 and 20 is 60. Now solution 8 and 11. So see, in 11th table we know that 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, सारे ऐसे ही आएंगे 33. सो इन 8th टेबल हमको 11 तक जाना ही पड़ेगा और 11 के टेबल में 8 तक जाना पड़ेगा. सो दैट मीन्स अप टू 8 यू हैव टू शो द मल्टीप्लिकेशन 88. देन यू कैन राइट वन एक्स्ट्रा एंड डॉट डॉट. We know that 8 11s are, so up to 8 you have to write the tables. $80 and then 88 and so on. So 88 is the first common multiple. So the LCM of 8 and 11 is 88. Okay. Now solve the following problems. First question, on the playground if the children are made to stand for drills either 20 to a row or 25 to a row, all rows are completed and no child is left out, what is the lowest possible number of children in that school? So बच्चों को रो में खड़ा किए हैं या तो 20 के सेट में या 25 के सेट में. सो उन्होंने पूछा है कि लोवेस्ट पॉसिबल नंबर कितना होगा. सो इन शॉर्ट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट LCM. सो LCM ऑफ 20 and 25 we have to find out. So first we will write table of both. So table of 20 will be like 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140 and so on. So 25, 25 ones are 25, 50, then 75, then 100. Now see 100, 100. The first common multiple is 100 and 100. So यहीं पे रुक जाओ आप आगे. If you want to find out the second one तो आगे जा सकते हो, but since first common number मिल गया, that is the answer. So you can directly the LCM of 20 and 25 is 100. So therefore the lowest possible number, the lowest possible number of children is 100. Okay. Now second question. Veena has some beads. She wants to make necklace with an equal number of beads in each. If she makes necklace of 16 or 24 or 40 beads, there is no beads left over. What is the least number of beads with her? So solution: to find out least number of beads, we have to find out LCM of 16, 24 and 40. So we have to write tables of 16, 24 and 40. So 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are, now see we have 40, no, 40 is the largest. So that means ये 16 का टेबल बहुत ज़्यादा जाएगा, तो हम पहले लार्जेस्ट टेबल को लिख लेंगे. 40, 16 के टेबल में 40 तो नहीं आता. 40, 80, 120, 160. 40 का टेबल मीन्स 4 का टेबल, बस आपको 0 ऐड करते जाना है. सी 4 1 4 4 2 8 4 3 12 4 4 16 4 5 20, बस एंड में 0 ऐड करते हुए जाना है. सो एंड 24 का टेबल, 24 1s are 24, 2s are 48, 3s are 72, 4s are 96, 5s are 120, then 144, then 168, then 192, then 216, then 240. So 240 match हो गया. That means here also we have to find out 240. So table of 16 you have to go on writing 3s are, then 4s are, 5s are, 6s are, 7, 8. Okay. Then 9s are, then 10s are. Okay, 16 10s are, then 16 11s are, 176, 16 12s are, 192, 16 13s are, 208, 16 14s are, 224, 16 15s are, 240. So see 240, 240, 240 is the first common multiple. So the LCM of 16, 24 and 40 is 240. So what is the least number of beads with her? So Veena has 240 least number of beads. Okay. Third question. An equal number of laddus have been placed in 3 different boxes. The laddus in the first box were distributed among 20 children equally. The laddus in the second box among 24 children and those in the third box among 12 children. Not a single laddu was left over. Then what was the minimum number of laddus in the three boxes all together? Now see, again we have to find out LCM of 12, 20 and 24. Okay, to find out the minimum number of laddus. So table of 12, 20 and 24. See, we know that in 12 table we will get 24, but in 2's table even if we get 24, 2 12s are, it will be like 240. So again here table of 12, first find out 24. So 24 ones are 24, 24 twos are 48, 72, 96, then 120, then 140, 168. Okay, this is the greatest number, no? So you don't do all up to 10. पहले देख लो कि इसी में से कुछ मैच होता है कि नहीं. सो 2 का 20 का टेबल मीन्स 2 का टेबल. सो 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. बस 0 ऐड कर देना है. ओके, देन 100, देन 120. सी 120 120 मैच हो गया. So that means there will be something 120 only. Let's check if we get 120 in 12. So 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, then 120. 12 tens are 120. See, 120, 120, 120. Okay, we got the first common tables. So the LCM of 12, 20 and 24 is 120. So the minimum number of laddus in three boxes all together. Statement: the minimum number of laddus was 120 in three boxes all together. Okay, this is the final answer. Fourth question, we observe the traffic lights at three different squares on the same road. They turn green every 60 seconds, 120 seconds and 24 seconds. When the signals were switched on at 8 o'clock in the morning, all the lights were green. How long after that will all three signals turn green simultaneously again? Now see, again here we have to find out LCM. LCM of lowest number is 24, 60 and 120 seconds. So let's find out LCM. So first one is 24, then 60, then 120. So here 120, table of 120 is what? Table of 12. So 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24 and 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60. We'll stop here. We'll first see if anything gets matched in between this. Then we will write further. यहाँ से थोड़ा रुक जाएंगे और देखेंगे कुछ मैच होता है क्या. Now in table of 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Only you have to add 0. 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30. See 24 and 24. It got matched. तो इसको भी यहाँ रोक देते हैं और यहाँ देखते हैं. Now it is 24, no? So we know that 24 tens are 240. So 24 ones are 24, 24 twos are 48, then 72, then 96, then after 96 120, then 144, then 1. Have you all noticed? See, here 120, here also 120, and here also 120. That means we have got our answer. So it is okay if we do not multiply further. So because the first common multiple is always the lowest common multiple, LCM. So here we will write the LCM of 24, 60 and 120 is 120. So therefore what they have asked, all three signals turn green, all three signals turn green simultaneously after 120 seconds. So they want us to find out this answer in minutes. So 120 second is equals to how much? We know that 60 second is equals to 1 minute. So this is equals to 120 is equals to 2 minutes. So here you will write 2 minutes. Okay. So this is the answer for fourth question. Given the fraction 13 upon 45 and 22 upon 75, write their equivalent fraction with same denominator and add the fractions. Now see, whenever you have fraction sums, for example 2 upon 4 and you have to add 3 upon 5. So to add this fraction, denominator should always be same, then only we can add. So to add this, we try to find out their LCM. That means 4 5s are 20 and 5 4s are 20. So here also we have to find out LCM of 45 and 75. So solution. So LCM of 45 and 75. So 45 75 table of 75, ones are, twos are, fours are, fives are, and first we will see here ones are, twos are, threes are, fours are, and fives are. Okay. So here if we see, this is the first common multiple. So therefore LCM of 45 and 75 is 225. But now see, 75 में 225 कब आया? 1 2 3. ओके. एंड 45 में 1 2 3 4 5 के प्लेस में है. सो दैट मीन्स टू ऐड दिस, इन दोनों को ऐड करना होगा तो 13 अपॉन 45 एंड 22 अपॉन 75. सी 30 ये 13 ये जो 45 है वो 5 के टाइम पे है ना, तो यार 5 विल मल्टीप्लाई एंड ये 75 3 विल गेट मल्टीप्लाई. So what will happen? We will get 5 3s are 15, 1 carry 5 are 5 6 65 and here we will get 25. Why 225? हमने अभी find out किया. Here 66 upon 225. So simply add them. So after adding we get 6 plus 5 11, 1 carry 131 upon 225. So That means this is the answer. So what they have asked, write their equivalent fractions. So the equivalent fractions is 131 upon 225. Okay.